So, Samantha, what do you think about this apartment?
I love the fact that it reminds me of Miami 20 years ago when I was living in South Beach and being a skinny model.
Yeah.
The rooftop is amazing. I love that the building right in front is so gorgeous that you can just lounge and sip a cocktail with your friends, have a barbecue with family. I think the rooftop is very well situated as well, like the views are great. You can chill at night and watch the stars. It's a great investment and it's a great place to come on vacation.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Samantha.